and then I got stuck in traffic. Guys, to cut the long story short, I got home 8:24, and this package has to go tomorrow, and I want to show you guys this stunning package. What's in the package? You see it's sealed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith. I'm a men's personal stylist, and I know I'm speaking slow-mo, but I'm really tired. Yes, because today is the same day I came back from Ibadan. So if you missed my vlog where I traveled, I drove from Lagos to Ibadan. Tap this button right here. I also shared a little bit of what I went to do in Ibadan, and guys, it's very interesting, so go check out that video if you missed it. So the story is that I got back from Ibadan and I found out that my dispatch guys, the courier service I use, failed to go pick up an item for a client that needs to be delivered tomorrow after several delays, and I just couldn't let my reputation be ruined. So off I drove all the way to Lagos, and it was really hectic because now I missed a turn. And if you know Lagos roads, if you miss a turn, that's a serious issue. And then I got stuck in traffic. Guys, to cut the long story short, I got home 8:24, and this package has to go tomorrow, and I want to show you guys this stunning package. What's in the package? You see it's sealed. So basically we're going to be unboxing together. Yes, we're going to be unboxing it together, and this video is going to be very quick. I just want to show you guys. So quick background story while I unbox is that I've always wanted to shop something from Magnanni for the longest time. Yes, I like their products. Guys, ignore the background. My daughter is here and she's playing, and there's nothing I can do about it. So I've always wanted to shop from Magnanni. I have stalked their page for a really long time. So when this order came, I was so excited to place this order for my clients. And now we're going to see what's inside. So this is the box it comes in. I think for those that love art, they'll be able to interpret this painting or something, but it's just the sole of their shoes basically, and that's it. Magnanni. Yes. And I'm going to open the box now. So cover out, see the inside, and then we have this. So let me turn it around. So it looks like this. Isn't it lovely? Okay, so it comes with this lovely bag. So when you're traveling, you can basically just put your shoes inside instead of carrying the box around. Yeah. And then stuff that comes with boxes. And are you ready, guys? Are you ready to see this shoe? And this is it, guys. Look at that. This is stunning. This is really nice. Really nice. It's gray. It's not really black, so it's kind of gray, but this is really nice. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. It's cute. It's simple. It's classy, and it's for a very stylish TBH king. And the price point for this shoe when we ordered was $350. So you know what I like about Magnanni? Their shoes are handmade in Spain. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but they are made in Spain, and they have sizes that go all the way up to 48. What? Yes, so these shoes actually come in sizes up to 48, and they also come in navy blue. Guys, I'm putting the picture so you can see it. It is really stunning. So guys, that's it. I need to go to bed. I just had to touch up my face so that I can look presentable for this unboxing, but really this is it, Magnanni. Remember guys, apart from sharing styling tips for you guys and also sharing my vlogs, you can feel free to send me, drop suggestions of what you would like to see from me, and I will be happy to post I'm also going to be sharing stuff like how to style some of these items that I bring to you in my unboxing sessions. So I may just do something with my newly found assistant that drove me all the way and you've been seeing in my videos, and just come show you how you can style your monk shoes, how you can wear your monk shoes apart from wearing them on suits and all of that. So I actually look forward to sharing quite a number of practical things with you guys this year. So if you're not subscribed yet, if you're just watching this video by chance, hit the subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, share this channel with the men around you and let them know that they have someone in their corner that is going to be sharing tips and style inspirations and unboxing of lovely items that would make you feel like a special somebody all year long. Okay, so that's my time, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you for the love on my vlogs and my previous videos. I really appreciate you guys. If you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with friends, drop a comment, and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.